The Seat Leon 2020's MIB3 infotainment system commonly experiences freezing, audio loss, and unresponsiveness. Let's troubleshoot these issues. First, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reboot the system. This resolves many temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes, which restores factory settings. Check if the system is running the latest software. Updates have significantly reduced these issues. Use My Audi or Seat Connect apps for over-the-air updates or a USB drive if necessary. Freezing can also be caused by extreme temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius, so wait until the temperature normalizes. If problems persist, consider if there's a Bluetooth bug causing audio failures. You can also check community forums for quick tips. If basic resets and updates fail, you may have deeper hardware issues. Schedule free diagnostics at a VW dealer to identify error codes like U111 for CAN bus failure. Use diagnostic tools like VCDS to pinpoint faulty components, such as the amplifier module. Faulty parts may require replacement under warranty. VW is phasing out MIB3 by 2027 for VW OS platform. Fixes are limited to software patches. Beware of community fixes due to cybersecurity risks. Document each failure and attempted fixes. Contact Seat support for permanent solutions.